Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me TCL 406, and I'm gonna show you how to resolve the problem when your screen is not responding. So basically it's very easy to solve. To do it, you just need to press and hold power button and volume up buttons together for about 15 seconds. When you will feel the vibration, so you just need to release both of keys. But of course, it will not help you if your screen is damaged. It just can help you if Android system is freezing and screen is not responding because of Android. But if you have the physical damage of your device, of course, it can't help you. Okay, so what we need to do now we just need to press on the power button and our device will reboot. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you!